goes stomp, stomp, stomp. Little trunk goes bump, bump, bump. Wiggle ears and shake your tail. Follow Ellie down the trail. Can do Ellie, Ellie, baby elephant. Big ears and a little trunk. Stomp your feet and clap your hands. Dance around the jungle land. Ellie, Ellie, smile so wide. Walking with her friends beside. Sing and laugh and have some fun. Jungle games for everyone. Ellie splashes in the stream, chasing butterflies that gleam. Birds are singing in the trees, flowers dancing in the breeze. Mommy elephant says, come with me, explore the jungle wild and free. Ellie learns and grows each day, helping friends along the way. Get you Ellie, Ellie, baby elephant. Big ears and a little trunk. Stomp your feet and clap your hands. Dance around the jungle land. Ellie, Ellie, happy heart. Every day's a brand new start. Sing together, shout hooray. Baby elephant saves the day. When the sun goes down at night, stars are shining big and bright. Ellie yawns and says goodnight, dreaming dreams of pure delight. Soft green grass becomes her bed, moonlight shines above her head. Tomorrow brings another day, full of fun and games to play.